Hi, I'm Christina from Hungary.
I'm Tyler from Canada.
And today we are in
Chiayi. Today we're going to experience 文化嘉游 Chiayi Cultural Tour. Let's go!
Let's go!
老外在干嘛
Christina,
What's that?
what are you doing? How long have you been in Taiwan?
14 years. How about you?
Just 2 years. So what comes to your mind when you think about Chiayi?
Pineapple.
Of course, pineapple. So today we came to 旺莱山 Pineapple Hill.
Let's go and try some pineapple.
Okay, today they prepared a lot of pineapple products for us. This is the pineapple enzyme and pineapple vinegar. I really like this because I really like sour things.
This is really sour.
It's very sour, so I really like it. After you finish eating all of these and you drink this vinegar, it's gonna help you to digest.
Tastes good.
It's
Tastes good.
very, very healthy. Okay, let's try enzyme, which will also help to digest. It
Cheers.
smells not as sour.
You know, in Hungary, we drink like that.
This one is good.
It's good.
It's not
that
as
sour. Yeah. Next, I have dried pineapple.
What do you think?
And it's not too chewy. It's kind of soft and sweet.
And you guys have to try it. Okay, I'm gonna try the pineapple cake. Also smells very sweet. Let me try. I think the filling is different from other pineapple cake I've tried. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet, and it's not dry at all. But it's also not too chewy. It's not gummy. It seems like more fresh. Really, really good.
You know, we don't have pineapple in Hungary.
Same in Canada as well.
Right?
It's too cold.
In Hungary too, so it's so special.
Well, I think you can bring this back home to Hungary to have your family eat it too. Because you
So
can't bring
good.
fruit back, but you can
Yeah.
bring the dried fruit.
You're so smart.
I know. See?
And you know, this view is amazing.
All the pineapple.
Have you ever picked pineapple?
No.
Do you want to try it?
Sure. Let's go. Yay!
We are in pineapple heaven.
Yes, pineapple farm.
And finally, we are wearing gloves because we are picking pineapples.
Yes, we're gonna learn how to pick a pineapple because we don't know how to do it. So
No
we
idea.
have to find a professional. 张经理来教我们。
嗨，大家好。
So he'll teach us how to pick the pineapple and which one should we pick.
我觉得那个凤梨可以采的时候哈，它的那个色泽会慢慢转黄。一般可以采的时候是差不多1/3红。当然，水果如果全熟的话，它吃起来会比较好吃。那你看这个一点斑点，这是晒伤，所以还要用这个。对。
Wait, I didn't know why they
Yeah.
put this here because of the
Okay.
sunshine,
Yeah, they
right?
use it to block the sun.
那一般在摘的时候是从下面这里，然后我们这个其实都蛮好摘的，只要摇一下。
Oh my god! Looks so easy.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god! My first pineapple.
Wow, congratulations. Okay, I'll try to pick this huge one with the 2 tops. Oh my gosh, it's like 2 together. Okay, I'll
Oh.
My baby, my twins. So the pineapple takes 2 years to grow. So because the farmers work so hard to grow the pineapple, please do not randomly go and pick a pineapple because it belongs to the farmer and they work very hard to grow it.
So happy. 谢谢你，
谢谢，感谢，感谢。
Thank you.
谢谢。
Let's take our babies to our next stop.
Okay, family vacation. Let's go.
Hey, we are at our next stop, which has been here for 23 years.
Okay, what it is? It's 铃兰碗粿. Christina, do you know what 碗粿is?
Is it a kind of rice cake?
Wow, you're actually smart for one. That's
Thank
right. But do you know what kind of flavors they have?
Salty or sweet?
Both. So today, let's try both.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Our dishes arrived.
I'm so excited. Let's try with the main ingredient.
I'm excited about that.
Okay, let's try it. And we have to try to cut it ourselves. So let's go. So we have to scrape the side and then cut it in 4. Okay, now are you going to scoop it out? And add soy sauce.
Oh my god, it smells good.
Wow. And another sauce, garlic sauce.
Oh my god, that's garlic is
this is the mushroom, and this is the rice cake, and this is all dipped in soy sauce and the garlic sauce, and let's try it. It's a little bit spicy. Really good. The texture is really like radish cake.
And the mushroom is so good.
Let me try the mushroom.
I love the garlic. It's so good. It's really not too salty.
Yeah, it's not too salty at all.
No.
This is really good.
It's kind of soft. It's not in your mouth.
If you come to Chiayi, you have to try this. It's very special. Now let's try the sweet wakwe. This one is black sugar and black pearl tapioca flavor. We're gonna test it and then let us know what we think. This one seems thicker, I think.
Oh, look at that. There's actually a lot of tapioca pearl down there. I thought it's only 3. What is that?
It's not too sweet.
Not too sweet.
It really tastes like black sugar and tapioca. Let's try this one. I'll take one easy, and I think this is a peanut.
Peanut butter.
I like this one.
Tea.
The tea flavor is really nice. Yeah.
Peanut and tea. It's like a very starchy flavor. Nice.
I think people who don't really love really like this one. Not too sweet, but it has a really nice tea flavor. And the texture is really nice too.
这个很老的吗？真的7岁。7岁啊，你是厉害啊！20几岁了啦。
差不多，差不多。Wow.
Look at this place.
I know, it's so beautiful.
Is it Canada or Hungary?
No, it's still Chiayi. This is Hong Wa Mao. Christina, what are we doing here?
We are going to make a scarf using the color of betel nut.
Yes, using the dye from a betel nut. And the teacher's waiting inside, so we gotta hurry up and go to class. Let's go.
因为我们都是用山区有的这个对，像槟榔嘛、野草是，所以我们都统称它为山染。然后我就是带这些我们自己做的章，140几。
The color is going to be like that.
对，我们看一下今天的材料。那我们今天要染的是这一条大条的围巾。
Okay, now we're going to do tie dye. Let's see who does it better.
抓起它往下拉，然后我就可以开始绑。那这个皱褶就是染完之后会跑出来的图案。绑这样的宽度，图案出来就是会这样子绕一圈，绑越宽圆就越大。我们还可以做花的样子，打开会像花。那再来棒棒糖形状的，很像肉桂卷。好，固定，不要让它跑掉，绑这样就 OK 了。让它出来，图案会是一个很漂亮的顺。它有专注哦。那我们的染料就是这一种，叫做冰拿。它这个咖啡色就是它用水熬出来的。It's going to be like coffee color. So you want to try?
No, I don't try. Thank you. I tried. No.
Okay, we're going to go dye our scarves. Let's go.
This is just normal water. So if you put in this one, it's going to be black. If you put in this one, it's going to be more like salty brown.
So we have to put it in the water first so that when we put it in the dye, the color is even. But we can't have it too wet, otherwise it's going to dilute the dye. So we have to squeeze it out after.
I'm cooking my corn. Okay. It looks like Hungarian hot red wine. Don't drink it.
I think you can try. See what you think.
You try first. The longer it stays, the stronger the color will be. So it's like 10 to 15 minutes. Afternoon tea time.
So when we're waiting for our scarves to dye, we can have some afternoon tea, cheesecake, and lemon honey iced tea, and some bread.
Cheers.
Okay, our scarves are finished dyeing, and now we have to unwrap them, see what the design is like.
Look at that. Why yours is a different color, right? Yours is darker.
So they use a different dye for both of ours. Mine is the brown one, yours is the black one. Okay, we are finished with our scarves, and now we're going to ask the teacher which one he prefers.
我喜欢这一个图案。
Do you still remember? How did you make that?
No.
哦，漂亮。So who is the winner today? Me.
You guys can comment below to say who you think is better.
You know I will
It's
win.
gonna be me. Wow, Christina, where are we?
This is the best place to buy souvenirs.
Definitely, if you come to Chiayi, you need to come here, and you can buy fresh fruit,
Try guava, try pineapple,
try the biscuits,
and potato chips.
the potato chips.
The best.
So you definitely need to try it if you come to Chiayi. I'm so excited. Let's go.
阿里山的氮气很脆很无老，阿里山 black tea。
Cheers.
所以你看那个不是打出来的奶泡哦，那个就是氮气打出来的。
Oh, it's really nice.
It doesn't taste too sweet or too bitter.
It's very balanced. Yeah.
So which one's your favorite?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Kind of like cranberry.
Sour and sweet at the same time. Crispy. It's good.
My favorite lemon.
Smells good. Oh, it's good. It really tastes like lemon.
This is like puffed rice, so it's
And
very
it's super
healthy.
healthy. It's
So-
not fried.
Let me try it too.
It's good.
And it's very crispy. So these are both like oat bars, and this is a turmeric flavor. And kind of sweet. This oat bar in Canada that I always eat. This tastes like that. His favorite and foreigners' favorite. And she's gonna eat it all by herself.
But this one is better than potato chips.
I agree.
Right?
Ask some gift for our audience.
Oh.
要多少？
I'm going to pick this and I'm going to give it to my mom and my family and I'm going to ask them how do they like it.
You have only 1 minute. Quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Everybody, if you're going to Chiayi, you must come to果然茶香 and buy all of this stuff. I especially recommend the potato.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, we changed our mask.
They're so beautiful.
Yeah, we're making a rainbow noodles. To make such quality noodles, they don't use any artificial food dye. So we're going to figure out how they managed to make such quality noodles.
Let's go and
Holly, hello.
This is the owner of the company and this is where the magic happens.
Yes, it's a factory where they make all the noodles. So we gotta try the rainbow pasta. 可以吃吗吗？
这是荞麦，
做吧，做吧，做吧。
Just go to something green.
海洋的味道。
哦，海藻 seaweed 芋头吗？
火龙果、
火龙果 dragon fruit
Dragon fruit.
地瓜。
地瓜、
Turmeric.
Turmeric. This is turmeric.
绿豆花、
很香。
地瓜吧。
红萝卜。
哦。
What's this？
这是洗碗的，这个是我们的彩虹菜瓜布，因为有的小朋友他就是很挑食，他就喜欢吃饭之后呢，就可以引导他，哎，你要不要拿这个彩虹菜瓜布洗碗？洗碗的时候也会觉得好像心情也变好，对，所以是这样子一套的，对。
Yay, it's time to eat. Finally can try it.
Colorful noodles. What flavor are you going to eat?
So we're gonna add, this is soy sauce and this is the
Sesame. I think it's
sesame. Yeah,
sesame
this is a sesame flavor sauce. So they have a lot of different sauces. Today we're gonna try the sesame flavor. So we need to taste it first.
Wow, you're good. Where did you learn that?
From Taiwanese people. Okay, and soy sauce. Okay, let me try it.
What do you think about the flavor? I think
so
it's good.
The sesame flavor is really nice. It smells really good, and the noodles are very like chewy. They said that they don't put salt inside the noodles, so even babies can eat it. Instead, they use Irish seaweed, which makes it have a really nice texture. And besides, you have a lot of different other flavors of the sauce. So Japanese sesame one, sesame oil ginger flavor, spicy and sour. This is the tomato one, XO sauce. This was very good. And here is the mala flavor, spicy. Oh, I love spicy. Just mix it with this and it'll be a very simple meal.
Actually, I'm thinking to take this for my nephews because they're so picky. They don't want to eat anything.
I think it's great for kids if you're having a hard time feeding your kids.
Yeah, and they see these colors, for sure they are going to eat it and take it. Enjoy. Chiayi really likes it.
好吃。
Yay!
This is the end of our Chiayi trip. Chiayi is so beautiful. This is the first time I tried to pick pineapple, and the dried fruit is amazing. You have to try it when you come to Chiayi.
Yeah, it was also my first time having wagyu, which was so delicious. And we also got a chance to be creative and make our own tie-dye scarf. And I got to try some delicious rainbow noodles that was so good.
And also we have a giveaway for the lucky ones.
And the winners will be getting the potato snack that we love so much.
So please leave a comment. I love Chiayi.
Or 文化嘉游. Everybody remember to subscribe to 老外在干嘛 to watch more videos about traveling in Taiwan.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.